welcome to today's vlog. So today's a Sunday and I'm actually headed to church, and I want to quickly do some makeup before I proceed going to church. How are you guys doing? I'll be going to church like in the next 5-10 minutes. So this makeup is just a very simple makeup. I'll see you guys when I get to church.
The Bible says there is time for everything. There is time for everything. It takes faith and belief and encouragement for those that are truly believers to accept all that comes their way in good faith, including the negative things. Sometimes it's only when the positive things happen to us we say, God has done it. Right? But when bad or negative things happen to us, we say, God has hated us. God is wicked. God has not shown me love. But as a child of God, both positive and negative things that comes our way, they come based on the appointed time of God.
Hi guys, so I just got back from the church. Someone gifted me this what do you call it, blood pressure monitor. So yeah, if you're an adult, I would advise that you get blood pressure monitor. It's actually good for your health. This is not sponsored, by the way. And yeah, so that is it. So I kept the water, I kept the carton somewhere, and I don't know, water came and poured around that area, hence it is like this. So let me just open it and show you how this monitor comes in. So look at it. And also, so you don't even need to be a professional to use this, you know. Once you are an adult, and it comes with this instructions, you know, you can read them and check how you can use it. So that's basically it. So currently I'm headed out to give some of my clothes to the dry cleaners in my neighborhood. After that, I'll be back. See you guys later. Hi guys, so yeah, From the last clip that you saw, we are actually having some renovations in the house, and if you hear any noise at the background, that's because work is going on, so I apologize for that. So for now, I will be making short vlogs. Duration is 5 to 10 minutes. Let me know in the comments if you want longer vlogs. I could do that in subsequent vlogs. So that is it for this video. If you have found this video interesting, please like and also comment and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.